Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This month, Amazon raises the price of Shiba Inu to $2. Today's SHIB news. In the last 2 weeks, the price of Shiba Inu has been going down. Investors thought this was just a correction before a rise. An important sign, on the other hand, suggests that the meme coin may be about to let down its owners in this movie. This month, Amazon makes Shiba Inu a $2 giant. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to the station to see the newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price predictions. Let's start the video right away. At 0.1068, the price of a Shiba Inu can't break through the decline line it has been stuck under since the beginning of March. The decline line was first made when the meme coin price fell back on the charts after failing to break through the 100-day exponential moving average. The relative strength measure, on the other hand, has been going up over the same time period. From the oversold area below 30.0, the indicator went up and has been going up towards the neutral line at 50.0, making an uptrend line. Putting together the price action and Rishi's movement shows that a possible secret bearish divergence has formed. The price of Shiba could go down over the next few trading sessions if this trend keeps up. This would cause the meme coin to drop to the important support level at 0.979. Putting the currency at its lowest level in 2 months. It would take SHIB even further to its December 2022 lows if it lost this support. That would mean a 25 drop. As for cryptocurrencies, this would mean a lot of losses for buyers who just bought more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a week. Exchanges show that the supply has gone down by more than $475. In general, a drop in the quantity means that there is a short-term trend toward accumulation. Another reason for this drop could be that SHIB owners are moving their tokens from platforms to cold wallets. A drop like that wasn't seen after FTX, though, so it's not likely to happen again. 4 months ago, the collapsed Shibu holders move is shocking because this week, the network saw its biggest losses since June 2021. The general move of coins on the chain showed losses of about 575 million SHIB. That's less than $62,000 in money. But on the chain, there are big losses. When this happens, the Shiba Inu price will drop to its lowest level since December 2022. This means that Shiba buyers will lose even more money than the rest of the network. Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling answer was made by a group of people who say the protocol is meant to make transactions quick and cheap. According to new public records, Shorem, its beta version came out earlier this month, and it wants to achieve real decentralization by making a protocol with low or no transaction fees. Shiba Inu's lead developer Shoshi says that Kucoin Shorem will have low transfer fees for all projects built on the Layer 2 protocol. He also says that the goal is to process transactions in seconds for less than pennies. Shirian wants to make Kucoin Shorem a safe, open, and scalable blockchain that can be used as a foundation for building new projects. The blockchain makes sure that making and trading digital goods is safe and open to everyone. It's also used as a base for the creation of decentralized applications DApp apps, such as SHIB the Metaverse Shy, Shiba Eternity, and many other goods, projects, platforms, and services in the Shiba Inu community as a whole. The public literature also gives you more information about how Shorem burns. The paper says that the burn process will start working when a certain amount of bone Shiba is gathered by the protocol. This swap token will be used to pay for Shorem gas fees. When a person does business on the network, the Shorem base fee is locked into a contract. The checker gets the priority fee, and the base fee is split into 70 that is burned and 30 that is saved to keep the network running. Once a certain amount of bone $25,000 is in the burn contract, users can start the burn process from Shorem. Shiba Inu is now worth 0.11, which is a little less than it was 24 hours ago. The price of Shinu has dropped by 0.5 in the last 24 hours, falling to 0.154 on a day when the market as a whole didn't move much. At 154 cents, the current price is 8 higher than its 30-day low of 973 cents, and the meme token has gained an impressive 30 since the beginning of the year. The beta launch of the Shorum Layer 2 network was completed earlier this month. After its early rise, SHIB looks like it will keep going. This week, especially when the L2 goes on sale to the public, there are signs that it might start to rise again soon. Its 30-day moving average and relative strength index have both been falling recently. The RC has been rising to 40 after touching 30 earlier this month, which was an oversold level. And its 30-day average is almost below its 200-day average, which is when the altcoin will be due for a rebound. At the same time, the current rollout of Shiba, which is now live in beta form, could mean that the token sees more gains soon, especially when the Layer 2 network goes live to the public. Two things about Shorum are very bullish. One is mechanical and the other is economic. To begin, the Layer 2 network will lower transaction fees and boost Shiba Inu's capacity, which will make it safer and more decentralized. Second, the launch of the L2 will also raise Shinu's burn rate as 70 of the base transaction fee will be lost. This means that Shorum will reduce the quantity of ships, which will increase demand and the price of the coin. Shorum's improvements in efficiency will bring more people into the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and its apps will lead to more burns, which will have a positive effect on SHIB's price. As a result, SHIB's price may slowly rise over the course of the year, with the launch of SHIB, the metaverse helping this process along. The second one is a Shibu-themed virtual world where people can buy, explore, and trade 100,000 narrow-based lands and a lot of in-game things. The platform's official website calls it the future of entertainment, business, and gaming all rolled into one. When combined with Chirian, it could lead to a huge demand for SHIB, which could move through the gears and reach new levels. In fact, Rum alone is likely to push SHIB up to 15 and 0.2. And when SHIB the Metaverse finally comes out, it could go even higher to 0.5 or even 0.1 by the end of the year. The launch of Amazon's new project next month is eagerly anticipated, with reports saying that the tech giant is getting ready to do so. According to sources, around 15 collections will be available from March 24th under the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab. The story said that at launch, this tab would only be available to people in the US. However, it will slowly be opened up to people in other countries, including Europe. Apparently, the launch has been pushed back twice because of recent events in the industry, such as the failure of FTXE. Notably, Amazon's upcoming Web3 initiative is not open source, which means that anyone can't see its software code. It can only be bought with an Amazon account and a credit card. The story said that Amazon chose a private blockchain that doesn't work with the Ethereum virtual machine. A source close to the situation told the story that developers who want to put their work on Amazon's blockchain will have to use a bridge that is closed for the day. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To see our newest videos, share and subscribe to the channel.